If you're a beginner aiming to build muscle and lose fat at the same time, this video is for you. We'll cover the essential tips to help you achieve these simultaneous goals. First, we'll delve into the importance of a balanced diet with adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support muscle growth and fat loss. Then, we'll explore the significance of incorporating strength training and resistance exercises to stimulate muscle growth and boost metabolism. Additionally, we'll discuss the benefits of cardiovascular training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for optimizing fat loss. Rest and recovery play a vital role, promoting muscle growth and tissue repair. Lastly, we'll provide guidance on monitoring progress, making necessary adjustments, and maintaining long-term consistency and motivation. A balanced diet plays a pivotal role in supporting both muscle growth and fat loss. Adequate protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats provide energy and support hormone production. Complex carbohydrates supply the body with sustained energy for workouts and daily activities. By maintaining a balanced intake of these macronutrients, individuals can fuel their workouts, optimize muscle protein synthesis, and support fat metabolism. It's crucial to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods while moderating processed and sugary items. Embracing a balanced diet sets the foundation for achieving the dual goals of building muscle and losing fat effectively. Strength training and resistance exercises are integral for individuals aiming to stimulate muscle growth and enhance fat burning. These exercises create microscopic tears in the muscle fibers, prompting the body to repair and strengthen them, leading to muscle hypertrophy. Additionally, muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning that the more muscle mass one has, the higher their resting metabolic rate, facilitating fat burning. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are particularly effective, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Incorporating progressive overload and varied exercises further promotes muscle adaptation and growth. By integrating strength training and resistance exercises into their fitness regimen, individuals can optimize their body composition and metabolic efficiency. Incorporating cardiovascular training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, offers numerous benefits for individuals looking to enhance their cardiovascular health and expedite fat loss. Traditional cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming improve heart and lung function, enhancing overall endurance and stamina. On the other hand, HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods, effectively boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning during and after the workout. This efficient form of training not only saves time but also maximizes caloric expenditure. Both cardiovascular training and HIIT contribute to improved aerobic capacity, better blood circulation, and increased energy expenditure, supporting individuals in their quest for optimized cardiovascular health and accelerated fat loss. Adequate rest and recovery are indispensable components of a successful fitness journey, playing a crucial role in muscle growth, tissue repair, and fat loss optimization. During rest, the body repairs and strengthens the muscle fibers that have been stressed during workouts, contributing to muscle growth and enhanced metabolic activity. Additionally, sufficient rest is vital for hormone regulation, particularly for the release of growth hormone and testosterone, which are essential for muscle repair and development. Proper rest also aids in the reduction of stress levels and the prevention of overtraining, ultimately promoting overall well-being. By prioritizing rest and recovery, individuals can optimize their body's adaptive response to exercise, ensuring ongoing progress and sustainable results. Consistent tracking of progress and regular evaluation of fitness and nutrition strategies are key to achieving long-term success in building muscle and losing fat. By monitoring various metrics such as body weight, body fat percentage, strength gains, and workout performance, individuals can assess their progress and make informed adjustments to their training and nutrition plans. This may involve modifying workout intensity, incorporating different exercises, or adjusting macronutrient intake based on the observed results. Furthermore, cultivating long-term consistency and motivation is crucial for sustaining progress. Strategies such as goal setting, seeking social support, and maintaining a positive mindset contribute to perseverance and adherence to the fitness journey, ultimately leading to lasting success.